What a strange creature. It's gone into hiding. I must attempt to befriend that creature. It spotted me. What is it doing to itself?
Hey, Squire, what's going on? Huh?
Hey, move!
Oh, geez, there's no reason to be rude. Oh,
Stop it! You're ruining my chance of befriending that creature!
you mean the kitty cat?
Ooh, kitty cat. Sounds very valiant.
What? It's just a pet.
I think it sees us. Run! What is it doing? Oh! Gasp!
The next time you run into me, you're grounded. If you want to make friends with the kitty cat, why don't you just go up and talk to it?
Talk to it? This is a wild animal we're talking about here.
No, it's a pet. Do it, or forget about it.
Okay. But I must approach it very carefully.
Wait, what? This isn't gonna end well.
There it is, stalking its prey. And I must attempt to befriend it. Psst, kitty cat. Psst, kitty cat. I'm gonna have to climb up there. Ow! Hey! Hands off! Ah! That's it. No more, Mr. Nice Guy. I found you and I have you now, kitty cat. Ouch. Ouch. Haha, where'd you go? Now, I will shoot him with this, and then he will gain my love. Hey, kitty cat! Listen here, you big, mean kitty cat. I am tired of this. Why won't you be my friend? Huh? Why won't you be my friend? Good kitty cat. Ouch! What was that for? Oh, hey! Oh, you wanna go, bro? Let's go, bro.
That's it. I have heard enough of this. Just pet him like this. Good kitty. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, where you going, buddy, huh? Buddy, good boy.
What sorcery have you used to tame such a beast?
Tame such a beast. Listen here. It is a kitty cat. The only reason it doesn't like you is because you're not trying to pet it. Instead, you're trying to shoot at it and stalk up on it. Just go and pet it already.
Fine. Hey, kitty cat. What are you doing, kitty cat? Hey, look, I was told to pet you, so I'm gonna try it. Kitty cat. Oh, good boy, kitty cat. Whoa. Ugh. What the? Hey, Slicer! I think the kitty cat just pet me.
What? No?
It just rubbed against me.
Oh, that means it likes you.
It does?
Yes, it does.
Yay, we're friends!
Wow.
Give me a hug. Bear, come here. Come here, Bear. Come here. Come here, bear. Oh yes, it's a bear. Oh, good boy, bear. Give me a hug. Good boy, kitty cat. Oh, he's a good boy, kitty cat. Here's the cat. Are we friends now? I hope we are friends now. Alright, whoa! That was fun! Let's do it again!
Hey, Skull Warrior, what's going on?
Oh, me and my friend are now just chillaxing.
You actually befriended the cat?
Yep, Bruce. Oh, what's wrong with Bear? He's kinda got a bad knack for walking away without actually telling me where he's going. But you know, he's just a kitty cat. And the most adorable kitty cat at that. Good boy, Bear!
Well, as long as you two are happy, Skull Warrior. See you around.
Bye!